Welcome to driver training. In this video we're going to deal with following the B4380 towards Atcham and the caravan centre. As we come down, we're looking at the sign on the left and we can see that tells us straight ahead is for Atcham and B4380. Now the next sign says this lane is going to split into two and B4380 is the right lane. But as we come down closer we can see it splits into more lanes. So again we look at the sign and it says B4380 is the third lane. So that's the one we're going into. The road marking confirms that this is the lane for B4380, so now we just need to find that third lane. So we look at the road layout ahead, there's lane 1, lane 2, and there we can see lane 3. As with all roundabouts, same principle, we imagine that left curb continuing across. We've got our white line on the right, so we stay in the middle of both and we can see with our green arrow where we're aiming towards. Again, as we come round, we imagine those two left curbs connecting. We've got our white line in the middle that we don't want to cross, so we know if we stay between both, we're heading across to the left curb and that will keep us in our lane. And that's it. We just need to remember now that this is a 60-mile-an-hour road as we head down towards Atcham. So we hope this has helped you understand it a little better. If it has, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. My name's Chris, thanks for joining us. Remember to drive safe and we'll see you all again soon.